Alright guys, you're doing great. Hang in there for these example problems, harmonics example problems. These are the kind of problems you'll get using the frequency shortcut. Alright, so copy this down. A string has a fundamental frequency, that's for the first harmonic, of 80 hertz. Determine the frequency of its, of its second harmonic, third, and ninth harmonic. How do we do that? Well, if you take your fundamental frequency, 80, to get the second harmonic, just multiply the fundamental by 2. And you get 160 hertz for the second harmonic's frequency. To get the third harmonic's frequency, take again the fundamental only and multiply that this time by 3. And you'll get 240 for the third harmonic's frequency. To get the ninth harmonic's frequency, again, take the fundamental, but this time, multiply the fundamental frequency by 9. And you'll get, in this case, in my head, I'm getting 720 hertz. That's the frequency heard from the ninth harmonic. And when you pluck the string, you hear all of them at the same time. And it makes a nice sound together, okay? Next problem, gotta get rid of that thing for the pendulums. Next problem, a string's fifth harmonic plays frequency 200 hertz. Oh, this time I'm not telling you what the fundamental plays, but I want to know if the fifth harmonic plays 200, then what is the string's fundamental frequency? This time I'm having you solve for fundamental frequency. So instead of multiplying, what do you have to do? That's right, divide. So you have to take the 200 hertz. What are you going to divide it by to get F1? What are you going to divide by 200 by? Well, if 200 is the fifth harmonic, to get F1, you need to divide it by 5. And in that case, when you divide 200 by 5, you get that the fundamental frequency is 40 hertz. Letter B, what is the string's fourth harmonic frequency? So if you know the fifth is 200, what's the fourth harmonic's frequency? Don't you dare multiply 200 by 4. 200 is not the fundamental frequency. Don't multiply that by 4 to get the fourth harmonic's frequency. What you need to do is you need to take the fundamental frequency and multiply it by 4. But what number here is the fundamental frequency? In the last problem, it was 80 hertz. You did 80 times 2 to get the second harmonic's frequency, and 80 times 3, and 80 times 4. But this time, your fundamental on this string is 40 hertz. So if you do 40 times 4, you're going to get 160 hertz for the fourth harmonic's frequency. Make sure you're using the fundamental to get all the other harmonics frequencies.